Welcome to Max's Garage Mahal. Here we are today. We want to talk about the MotorHead products, Tow and Mow. Now, a lot of us have ditches, so we've got our lawnmowers out here and we've got a ditch that we got to go down. We've got wet spots. We have trees we have to get under and around. And quite honestly, those of you that are commercial have the rollover protection systems. They're ROPS, then that makes it very difficult at times to get under these trees. Well, Mr. Jeff Lamotte has a wonderful product here, and it is called the Tow Mow, model MH-0014. I'm going to zero in on this thing down here in just a second so you can get an idea of what I'm talking about here. So bear with my cameraman responsibilities here because it's not a very good job. And there you go. Tighten this up. I don't know if I can make that any clearer or not. Let me try. Any better? Maybe that's a little bit better. Alright, as you can see, the just tell you what, let me just bring this a bit closer. As you can see, there's your mower, and this product attaches to your mower. Then you attach a push mower to the product, and then you can just run this thing right up against the water line here. And when you go to the MotorHeadProducts.com site, you can look at this a little better, and they have a movie there, and I think this may be taken from the movie. It's pretty good, pretty clear little movie. So this photo, I believe, is from that. And this is a little better close up here. If I get into the frame, looks like it would help, wouldn't it? This system mounts to the front of the machine, and it's pivoted so that as the mower drops down inside the ditch, this allows this to pivot and follow the ditch line. So we're going to unbox this here in just a couple of moments. I haven't seen inside the box. And we're going to open it. We're all going to see that together. So let me zoom back out here, whatever that's called. And we'll get on the box here. I know you guys know I need an overhead system. And we'll probably do that at some point in time. We're not doing it yet, but we probably will. So let's get out the old trusty plastic case knife here. Been around a long time. A good one. I know that I'm really going to wish I hadn't opened this like this, so let's do it this way. Let's see. Because I'm actually not doing this, I don't have a ditch to test this on. So I'm going to take this out to a friend's house that's got pretty good ditch and it's pretty long, so we'll be able to beat this thing up. And Mr. Lamotte, you're going to wish you had never given this to me, so we're going to test your product for you. Now this thing is not exactly lightweight, so it should stand up to the job of what we're expecting this to do. Maybe I should open this up on the floor. And we're making headway, guys. I know this is boring watching me open a box, but look what I found. It's even got the name of the product right on the thing. That's a good looking print job. let's see what else is in here. Okie doke. Now, here's what we got. We have two big U-bolts. Well, they're the square type U-bolts, but they are U-bolts. Comes with washers and nuts. And we have the pre-drilled brackets here. Two of those. And we have some angle brackets. Two of those. Looks like these things are made out of, they're 1/4 inch steel but 2 inch. So, and looks like it's a 3 inch angle iron that's made out of. These are made out of heavy stuff. These are made out of, looks like these are made out of 10 gauge 1.5 by 2 rectangular tubing, and it looks to be a drawn over the mandrel tube. So, and it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pre-drilled and threaded holes in the center. It's got 2 pre-drilled and threaded holes at the end. It's got 2 holes here on this end. And do not discharge toward operator. That's a good idea. That is a good safety measure right there. And we have the 2 items that are springs that attaches the mower to these arms right here. And this allows the it looks like it's going to be a quick connect and disconnect. That's a good thing. Yeah, it's going to be. So it's got a quick connect here, which I like. So that's pretty nice. And it's got the quick connect hairpin, or not hairpin, but pin. It's got some hardened shoulder bolts with hex drive and all the hardware to install this thing. So I haven't run across the instructions yet. I know they're in here. And by the way, I just talked to Mr. Lamote today at noon, and it was straight up noon. Nice of him to take the call, because I had some questions that I wanted to clarify before I shot this video, and he was very open with me and ready to take a call from anybody that has questions about his product. And so I wanted to also tell you that he's going to sell you this through this video. He's going to sell you this product if you're a member of my Lawnmower groups or the forums, or you're a subscriber or viewer of the Max's Garage Mahal YouTube or Coco Scout channels. He's going to give you this at wholesale, which is the, and he's already put it on the site for you. As I said, I talked to him today. This is November 6th, 2019. He's going to go ahead and give this to you at the wholesale price, which is what he sells to dealers. It's probably going to upset some dealers when they find out. But listen, we appreciate him helping you out. And that's what the idea of these videos are, is to bring you new products, to test them, review them, and then get you a discount through Max's Garage Mahal. So he's done that. So he's give you this discount here, which is the $219.99, which is what I would be paying for it to resell it to you at like $329. Just a guess. And if you use MGM when you purchase this from him, not only do you get the $219.99, you'll get it by using a MGM in the discount code, which is live today at noon. He's going to give you a further 20% discount. So what are we talking about? That is, see, $219, so that'd be $220. That's like $44 off. I mean, my gosh, guys, that's quite a bit of money off of the $219. So you're going to get this deal way below what his dealers are buying it for, which is a great thing. for you, for my subscribers, my viewers. And I'm going to go ahead and get this thing on a mower and get it out and get a mower attached to this and get it out to the ditch and give that thing, because I understand the ditch we're going to be taking to, which I haven't seen for a while. Last time I saw it, it didn't look that great. It looked a little rough. So I guess it's going to be hard both on the lawnmower and the Tow Mow. And this is a good looking product. He's got a good finish on it. These, by the way, what I want to show you too, right in here, when they drilled and tapped these things, they've given you a little bit of a recess right on the end to help start your thread, which is a great idea because it does help you keep from cross-threading. I just want to bring that to your attention. So I'm going to go ahead and stop this segment of this video here, and we'll get both the site address in there. We'll get the price in there that he's selling it to you for right now. And then we will lay this thing out and try to get it where you can see it in a lot better light. Because at this time to you, I'm sure it just looks like Max's Garage Mahal cut and paste, old school cut and paste sign here with a bunch of my caps and merchandise here. And then his signage and this thing. I'm sure it doesn't look that professional. But I'm not that professional. Hey, I'm not getting paid for this. I'm just trying to bring you a good quality product. And this is a professional. This man right here is putting out a super product. And if it's not, I will also tell you that. But at this time, it looks great. And I want you to see this thing in action. So we'll cut to the chase and get right to it. Thank you for staying so far.